Hey there, fellow home cooks. Today I'm diving into a breakfast classic that's as tasty as it is Instagram worthy. Yup, I'm talking about the perfect avocado toast topped with a poached egg and a sprinkle of chili flakes. First things first, let's tackle that avocado. You want a ripe one, slightly firm but with a little give when you press it. Cut it in half. Remove the pit and scoop that green goodness into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lime, and mash it up to your preferred consistency. I like it a bit chunky for that extra texture. Moving on to the bread, choose a nice thick slice of sourdough or whole grain. Get your toaster or skillet going and toast it until it's golden brown and crunchy. The crunch is key, trust me. Now, the star of the show, poaching the egg. Fill a saucepan with water, bring it to a gentle simmer, and add a splash of vinegar. Create a little whirlpool in the water with a spoon and gently slide your cracked egg into the center. Let it cook for about 3 minutes until the whites are set, but the yolk is still runny. Lift it out with a slotted spoon and let it drain on a paper towel. Assembly time. Spread your avocado mix generously over the toast. Carefully place that poached egg on top. And now, for a little heat, sprinkle on some chili flakes. They add just the right kick and transform this simple dish into something special. Finish it off with a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and if you're feeling fancy, a drizzle of olive oil. There you have it, folks. A delicious, creamy, spicy, and satisfying avocado toast with a perfectly poached egg. Give it a go, and trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Until next time, keep cooking and experimenting in the kitchen. Happy eating.